Hello students, welcome to today's maths class. Today we'll be discussing about the probability using permutation and combination. Okay, in the Zoom class we discussed about the concept of permutation and we discussed about the various scenarios how we will apply a permutation. Permutation is arrangement. Okay, now how we are going to use permutation in probability we will discuss in one of the problems here. Okay students, so here we go. So the given question is the letter of the word society. Okay, this is the given word society are placed in a random row. The question is, what is the probability that three vowels come together? What is the probability that three vowels come together? This is the question. It's a probability problem because here we are discussing about probability. Okay, the question is from your textbook, page number 1836 and problem number 20. Okay, so this is the given question. We discussed in the Zoom class the condition, right? How we are going to place vowels, how we are going to arrange vowels, how we are going to do that, we will see here. Okay, so there are three vowels here. Here you have O. I'll just highlight this. Vowels, there are five vowels, right, in English? The vowel is O. Then you have I. And then you have E. Correct? So there are three vowels here, O, I and E. Okay, so we'll take the three vowels as one letter. Okay, but before we proceed, we should know whether the letters are repeated or not. Is S is repeated? O is repeated? No. C is repeated? No. I, E, T, Y. None of the letters are repeated. Okay, if the letters are repeated, we have to follow a like permutation. So here none of the letters are repeated. So we'll follow with the technique we know, right? Without restriction. We discussed, right? Without restriction, how we are going to solve, and with restriction, how we are going to solve. We already discussed that in the previous class. Yeah, but here the word is society. None of the letters are repeated. Okay, so here you have three vowels, O, I and E. And then the rest of the letters, you have S, you have C, T and Y. So OIU you have taken as one, S second letter, third letter, fourth letter and fifth letter. So how we are going to solve, we'll see. Okay, for finding the probability, the formula is P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. N of A, what is N of A? Your favorable outcome. And what is N of S? Your N of S is equal to, is nothing but total possible outcome. Okay friends, so here the total possible outcome is 7. Because totally you have 7 letters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay students, so N of S is equal to 7 factorial ways. So it can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Alright, and then what is your favorable outcome? What is the condition, the favorable outcome? The three vowels should be coming together. That is the favorable outcome. Okay, so your N of A will be, alright, 5 factorial times 3 factorial. How we got 5 factorial? Since we got OIE as 1, so the remaining letters you have 2, 3, 4, 5. So total letters are 5. So 5 factorial times. Then we have to see how vowels are arranged. How many vowels are there? 3 vowels. Okay, so 3 vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So you have to multiply this 5 factorial times 2 factorial. Okay students, Your n of s is 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial? Is total possible outcomes. That is without restriction. How we are going to arrange this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the society can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. That will be your n of s. And what is your n of a? The favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcome is nothing but 3 vowels are coming together. How we applied this vowels coming together? We took the 3 vowel as 1. The remaining is S-E-T-Y. So total number of letters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 factorial times the vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial. So you can write n of a is 5 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay, finally the answer P of a is n of a by n of s. So what is your n of a? Your favorable outcome is 5 factorial times 3 factorial divided by your total possible outcome is 7 factorial. This is the final answer. Understood, students? Is very simple. Once you understood the concept, it's going to be very, very easy. You can just have a look. You can pause the video and you can try to solve it on your own. Alright. So this is the answer. After this, what you can do is you can do a similar problem. Okay, if you don't have your textbook, I'll just click the photo and upload it in VLE or in the group messenger. So you can do problem number example 24. Page numbers 1832, example 24. So the question is like this, okay? I'll just write the question. The question is like this. There are 10 persons. Okay, better I will upload in really. Okay, there are 10 persons who are seated in a circle table. Find the probability that 2 particular person will always sit together. You can try this problem, and then you can also do page number 1836, problem number 21. Okay, you can do this 2 problem probability using permutation and combination. In the next video, we'll be discussing about combination and how we are going to apply combination in probability. Okay, students, have a good day. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.